Hey, are you a real estate agent or do you work in real estate and you have an overload of incoming calls?
Can I ask you a couple of quick questions?
Go ahead.
Great. First, do you have a specific budget in mind for this property?
Oh yeah, 2:30 Monday sounds good.
Your consultation call is all set for Monday, April 7th at 2:30 p.m. Do you have any other questions or need help with anything else?
This is a solution right for you. Hello guys, my name is Thomas Fulton. I'm a co-founder of AI automation agency called Kili-Ai, and we specifically do build AI voice agents for many businesses, and in today's video we'll be looking at real estate agencies. If you want to build AI assistant for a real estate agency, or if you're a real estate owner, it can book a call for you, an appointment. If you have a client who's interested in buying a property or in some rent, you can build this AI assistant and it can just receive calls and answer frequently asked questions or book the calls. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to build this AI assistant. We'll be using a software called Retell.ai. You might have also heard about Vapi or Synflow, but we chose Retell.ai because we think it's pretty beginner friendly and it's easy to use with pre-built templates. So I think we'll need to jump straight forward so you know what to do when building this AI assistant. So we'll open a Retell.ai. You obviously need to log in first. We'll be creating a new assistant. I have a new assistant built here, but we'll start from scratch. So you click create an assistant. We'll use the single prompt agent since we want to do the straightforward tasks. We'll start from blank so you understand all the functions we'll be looking at. Okay, here we have a single prompt agent. And here we'll be putting a prompt for this AI assistant. If you haven't heard about any AI assistants before, which I sure believe you've heard, but if you haven't, you need to put a single prompt to instruct the AI assistant so he knows exactly what to do. He knows all the functions. If he's booking a call, you need to put it in the whole prompt. I think you'll be able to do it by yourself, and if you don't, we'll be happy to help you with it. I'll just jump into the Google Doc. I'll copy the prompt that we built and we'll copy it to Retell. Alright, copy and paste here. Here you can see you have the identity of the assistant. We called her Anna. We'll be adjusting the voices as well. We actually built it for 123 reality, just some company that we made. Here you can see the task for the agent. It guides the user to book an appointment with the real estate agent using following steps. And here you can see the steps. Obviously, it's the start of the conversation, asking for the name, identity, and address the user's needs. Yeah, the qualification of the user, so you actually have some additional information about the client before jumping on a call. Yes, we have a suggesting a viewing or a consultation call. This is actually the function that is necessary for our prompt and for our voice agent in today's video. And here, booking the appointment itself, so it books automatically for the call. Wrap up, of course, if the client has any further questions, and then goodbyes. Here you can see tone and style. We want Anna to put well, so it actually sounds natural for the client. Keep responses focused, steering the conversation towards qualification and booking, of course. So here we see the system functions. We have actually only two functions: check calendar availability and book appointment, which obviously check calendar and book appointments. We have the rules here, so it verifies all the time slots before offering them. So it asks when is the client available and books right after it. We have some examples here, so the assistant actually knows what to expect from the calls. Here we have the LLMs. Yes, the ChatGPT that we all know, and Claude. For this video, for this example, we'll be using the GPT-4o, and here is actually the voice that we'll be choosing. 11 Labs, probably the best platform for the voices right now. So me and my team, we actually enjoy Anna right here. We can hear how she sounds.
Greetings, I'm Anna, your wilderness-inspired AI guide, aiming to navigate and protect your digital environment with precision.
Yes, it's a young American, and I think it's perfect for our example, so we'll use the voice right here. English, obviously, we keep it like that. Alright, so let's jump into functions. So if you look to the right of the screen, you can see functions here. Functions are actually the capabilities that the assistant. You can see some pre-built functions here, and the call transfers. So the call transfers to you or to your colleague. Check calendar availability, hard word for it, and book on the calendar. So here you can choose the function that you'll use, or you can build your custom function, and we'll be not looking in this today, but maybe in the next videos. Knowledge base, that's the knowledge base for your assistant, so you can provide context and the assistant actually knows what he's talking about and has some additional information. Speech settings, will not be adjusting here anything, but so you know, you have control of the voice. If it's fast, if it's slower, you can speed it up a bit if you want. We have call settings here, yes, and some other tools that you can use. But we want to keep it beginner friendly, so we'll be only using function check calendar right here. As you can see, it's call.com. It's another app which actually helps you book the calls online. So after logging in, you see that we have event types here. So we'll actually just click here on to add a new event type. Let's call it 30-minute call. And you obviously need to adjust the duration as well. Alright, continue. Alright, so you actually just built and created a new event type. After creating the event type, we'll need to put some additional information to Retell. As you can see here, we'll need somewhat API key. What it is that when you build the functions, you need the servers to communicate between each other. If someone calls, the Retell sends a function to call.com to book a call. Basically, API key is a unique code through which the assistant can actually communicate. Well, where will we get this API key? So if you go back to call.com, you go to settings, and right here you have a developer settings and options. It's actually right here, API keys. We add a new one. Let's call it Anna real estate, right? Yes, we'll just keep the 30 days expiration. I will save it right here. It's actually a unique code. You cannot show this to anyone, of course. You need to keep just for yourself. We'll copy it right here. We'll put it in this slot. You'll need the type ID from call.com. So we'll jump right here back to call.com. We'll need to open the event type. It's the 45-minute call, right? And here in URL, you actually just copy this number for the event, and we put it right here. We'll keep the American Los Angeles time zone here, but for instance, we're based in Europe, so we would just put Europe/Prague, for example, since we're from the Czech Republic, and we'll save it right here. Alright, we have the check calendar availability. We'll need to add a new function, booking the call itself on call.com. Yep, description, you keep it the same as the check availability. We'll put the same API key, so I'll just copy it from the past function and put it right here. and the event type is the same as well. So same copy paste thingy from the URL right here, copy paste, same time zone. All right, save. Alright guys, so we actually we made the function right now. We don't need to add any knowledge base. We don't need any speech settings right now. I think we can just adjust the voice speed a little bit. 1.1 should be alright. Voice temperature, if you haven't seen it before, it's actually how the assistant communicates. If calm, if he's a bit emotional, I would recommend to put it a bit down so it sticks to the prompt. And voice volume, we can leave it as it is right now. You can actually, if you're based in some other country than English-speaking countries, you can see there are some pre-built languages as well in Retell, but we'll stick to English. So we'll also set or keep the voice modal set to auto. Alright guys, so I think we have the assistant ready, we have the prompt ready. Right here we have the functions. We don't need any knowledge base, but obviously if you have a list of properties or you have some additional information that you want the assistant to understand, you'll just create a Google Doc or just a PDF and you'll add the knowledge base right here. I think we can test it right now. We haven't connected the phone number yet, but we'll test it right through the Retell so we know how it functions. Alright, let's test it out. Alright guys, so I actually put a wrong time zone there because in the event type, if you look in the availability right here, you need to adjust it. I have it set for Europe Prague, so it actually took our time zone. So we'll adjust it right here. Let's turn on only Monday 9 to 5. We can keep it like that. We need to jump back to Retell. To adjust it in the function, we need to adjust the time zone right here. It's Europe, Prague, and the Czech calendar as well. Oh, the book appointment, sorry. So, Europe and Prague right here. Alright, so let's test your agent again so we know what it does. Hey there.
Hey there. Welcome to 123 Reality. It's Anna speaking. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
It's Thomas. Hi.
Hi, Thomas. Nice to meet you. How can I help you find your perfect property today?
Hey, I'm trying to find a property in Prague. Maybe a single house.
Oh, Prague is such a beautiful city. A single house sounds like a great choice. Just to make sure I fully understand your needs, can I ask you a couple of quick questions?
Go ahead.
Great. First, do you have a specific budget in mind for this property? And also, when are you looking to move into your new home?
Yes, so I have the budget of 400K in mind, and moving in, I don't know yet, maybe 3 to 4 months.
Got it, Thomas. A budget of 400K and a move-in timeline of about 3 to 4 months. Thank you for sharing that. Would you like to schedule a consultation call to discuss your options in more detail, or perhaps arrange a property viewing?
Yeah, the consultation call sounds good, so I can look into details.
Perfect, Thomas. Let's get that consultation call scheduled for you. Could you share your email address with me? Also, do you have a preferred date and time for the call?
Of course, my email is thomas.fulton@gmail.com.
Thanks, Thomas. I've got your email as thomas.fulton@gmail.com. Now, do you have a specific date and time in mind for the consultation call? Or should I check for the next available slots?
What about Monday next week?
Sure. Do you have a preferred time on Monday next week, or should I check for availability throughout the day?
Maybe around noon?
Let me check if we have availability around noon next Monday for your consultation call. It looks like we don't have availability around noon next Monday, but we do have an open slot from 2:30 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. Would that work for you?
Yeah, 2:30 Monday sounds good.
I'll book your consultation call for Monday at 2:30 p.m. Your consultation call is all set for Monday, April 7th at 2:30 p.m. You'll receive a Google Meet link at your email address, so keep an eye out for that. Do you have any other questions or need help with anything else?
No, thanks.
You're very welcome, Thomas. Best of luck with your property search, and I hope the consultation call helps you find the perfect home. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Bye bye. Alright, guys, so it's functioning, obviously, as you could see. If we look in the call.com, we have yes, we have a booked call right here. That's the past one, about 2:30 to 3:15 p.m. is ready. Alright, guys, I think we're all set with the agent, and I'll now wrap it up right here. If you have any troubles with building the agents, or you want us to build an agent for your company, you can definitely reach us out. There will be links in description of the video. If you liked it, definitely like the video, or tell us some feedback in the comments. We'll be pretty happy, since we are starting with this YouTube journey right now. We'll be happy to book a call with you and discuss some additional details of your agent if needed. All right, thanks a lot for the watching, and see you in the next video.